Hello everyone, this is Vinay here from Learn Coding with Vinay, and this is video number 25th of our series where we are building library management system using ASP.NET Core MVC, Entity Framework Core, database first approach, and ChatGPT extensively. And in this quick video, actually, we will look into the functionality of publication as we discussed at the end of the previous video, that for publication we won't be able to implement functionality like we did for add authors, right? Because for add author we had separate table altogether, while publication is part of the book table itself. It is just a column, so we won't be able to add just the publication without any other book details, right? So that is not possible. So what is possible over here is we will try to implement auto search kind of thing, right? Auto search or auto fill text box, right? So let me take you to the prompt, what I wrote on the prompt, right? So here I am saying that, okay, now let's move ahead and wait a minute. Yeah, let's move ahead and work on publication. Since we do not have separate table for publication, we won't be able to implement add author kind of functionality. Can we have auto suggest field text box based on user input for publication? Publication list will be read from book table. If entered publication was not there in the database, then the book with new publication text will be saved, and in next create new book it will be available, right? So it suggested as what to do. We already have this property also, but this was a select list. So we now it is saying that just make it list of string. So that's what I did in the background. Let me quickly take you to the over here, right? So publication we have this property, right? But earlier this was like this publication, it was a list of select list item. Now we just made it to string, right? So that's the first change we did. Second change, let me go down over here. Now second change, since public list this is just a list of string, so I used it. Earlier we had retrieve the list first and then convert it into list item. Now that code we need to get rid of. So if I go to manage books controller, say here we are retrieving the publication list, and here we are retrieving it to directly this publication list, which is list of string. Earlier it we had to convert it to a select list using something like this, right? So this I have to do it on couple of location. This is one, and we do have this is on, we do have it on the create get method also, and we do it have it on create post method also, right? So let me move ahead. Then into the razor view, right? So we did. Now onto the razor view where we had the section for publication, I just replaced this. I just copied this and replaced the existing with this one. So it is over here, right? So I have kept the replaced one also, and this is over here, right? And this is what we replaced with, right? So now let's go to this manage books, add book, and see this. It will give you if we have something, something already existing. See, DA exists, right? Let me get AN. It is giving me, right? So if I, let me new, just add new book with new publication to one I already created. So I'll make these two, right? Let's take these changes to 111, something like this. Let's make random two authors. Publication I will say new publication, and I'll say this as two. Page I'll say, let's say 120. This is let it be, this is something, let me copy this. Okay, great. Let me just keep 3 line over here because we already used 4 line in the previous one. So and this will be 2012. Let me choose one image, let's say Kuldeep Yadav. Let me save this. Oh, we missed the genre. Oh, now it is I'll have to reselect the page image. Let me quickly look at this. We have okay, this, let me add it. Right, so new book with new publication got added, so this is working nice. Now we added the new publication. Let's try to add one book with new book, new book with existing publication. Let's try this. Let's have this, one this time. Let's have three author over here. Let me 555. Let me select any. Let's say one which has on. So we have many. So let's take Carol and Sons. Let this take any. Let this be 250. Let this be 10 multiply by 40 multiply by 120, something like some random data. 2013. Let's choose file. Let's take Anil Kumble over here. So let's create this. Oh, okay, short description was missing. So let me control V again, and let me keep this time these two line only. Let me create it. Oh, image we'll have to select. Right. So this got added. Right. So let me go ahead and search with new over here. Let's our new books should be all be listed. Okay, new book with new publication, new book with existing publication, new book with new book publication 2. So this is good. Yeah, if I click over here, then it takes me to the details of the book. So this is working really nice, right? So this was the one piece, last piece missing in the create book functionality. That is also done. In the next video we will work on the edit book functionality. So thanks a lot for watching this video. See you in the next video.